Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So yeah guys, so it's been a long time I haven't uploaded any video. So today I thought why not to share with you some of the makeup products which I have recently purchased from Nykaa Pink Friday Sale. So I think just for a simple quick makeup look, everyone should have some of these products. So first one is the concealer, which need to be used for to hiding out your pigmentation. So this one is Maybelline Fit Me in 40 Caramel. So this is the one which I use it. Then for the foundation, I use this Maybelline Fit Me in 330. So this is a 330 the shade. It is also called as a toffee shade. Then to blend it out, we require a blender. So this is from Nykaa. Then for the eye palette, I recently purchased this Nykaa palette, which is Just Wink It in Caramel Crunch. So this is the palette, and just let me show you the shades inside it. So it has a very nice shade in it. So these are basically into a caramel category, a brownish category. So this is very good to have a palette as well. Then I also have another palette which is from the Sugar Cosmetics. Then for the compact powder, in order to set all the makeup, I use this Maybelline Fit Me. This is also in 330 Toffee, the shade. Then another one is like a mascara. Then you need to also have a Kajal. This can also be used as an eyeliner, which I have used in this makeup. Like I have done today a simple basic makeup. So then you need to have a lipstick. Some of them which I do have is this Nykaa. This is purely a matte lipstick, which is in a shade called Wake Up and Makeup. So most of you might have know this. This is a very famous Nykaa makeup, a lipstick. Then the another one, the most which my go-to is which one I have applied right away now. So this is from the Canada Faces, and it is Comfy Matte in the shade of 11. I just love the shade very much. It goes with any outfit. Now for doing a eye makeup, so basically you need a brushes. So this is from a Swis Beauty makeup brushes. So let me open up and show it to you. So this is how all these makeup brushes are. The bristles are quite nice and soft. I know that all these brushes I won't be using it, or it will be not necessary for me all of them, but it was on a great discount, so I thought why not to purchase it. Yeah guys, so this was all about it. I hope you have liked this video. So if you do so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and always stay style and shine.